To get a Citibank virtual card, you will need to have an existing Citibank account and be enrolled in their online banking system. Start by logging into your Citibank online account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account summary page and look for the option to generate a virtual card. Click on the Generate Virtual Card option and select the account you want to link to the virtual card. You will then be prompted to review the terms and conditions of the virtual card. So take a moment to read through them carefully. After reviewing the terms, you will be asked to create a new card name and set a spending limit for the virtual card. The card name will be used to identify the virtual card in your online account, and the spending limit will determine how much you can charge to the card. Once you have created the virtual card, you will be given a 16-digit card number, expiration date, and security code. You can use this information to make online purchases or add the virtual card to your mobile wallet. To activate the virtual card, you will need to make a small transaction using the card, such as buying something online or adding it to your mobile wallet. This will verify the card and activate it for use. It is also important to note that you can manage your virtual card settings online, including changing the spending limit, updating the expiration date, and canceling the card if needed. You can also use the Citibank mobile app to manage your virtual card on the go. Overall, getting a Citibank virtual card is a simple and convenient way to make online purchases and manage your spending. By following these steps and using your virtual card responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of a Citibank virtual card while keeping your financial information secure.